Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me?
Happy Vlogmas Day 3. I can't believe it's only Wednesday. I feel like I've been doing this for a full week. Not in a bad way, I just feel like I've done a lot. So anyway, today I'm gonna go to a thrift store. I want to find something to put my plant in. I'll show you guys how much your niece has grown. She's a grower, not a shower. Don't mind how messy my desk is, but I feel like this leaf got a bit too much sun. But this whole section is new from when I stole her. And there's another leaf growing. And then the roots, she's still in just like a water bottle. I feel bad. The roots have grown. I thought it was gonna come out of the end. Like they are growing out of the end, but it just randomly started growing from this side piece. So yeah, I want to get like a bottle, like a glass bottle or like a decanter or something nice for her. But yeah, she's growing really quickly. I'm just gonna walk there. I think it's about like an 18-minute walk, so that would be good for me to do today. On the way back, I've got to stop at Lotus. I need to pay my phone and my internet bill. And that's it. Let's go. A bird just pooped on me. Lucky I always have wet wipes. But I guess this is good luck, right? This is a good sign. That's appropriate. A Christmas tree. Let's go have a look at what they have. Wow, this stuff is cool. This and this and this. Very cool. I should have come here to look for a mug when I moved. I didn't think about it, but they have a lot of cool mugs. So now you know, if you move to Bangkok, just come thrifting. All right, they have a lot of vases, but I actually want, or vases, however you want to say it. I want something clear so I can see the roots growing, and none of these are clear. I think I might actually get this. It's like a cute, just to put like trinkets in, like my hair clips and stuff like that, and earrings. That's so cute. The stuff is so nice. Also, look at these. These are so cute. Oh my god. That's really cool too. Damn. Alright, I've decided to get this because I need a toothbrush holder by my sink. I currently don't have one. And this matches my decor. It's beige, so this will do. Too. This one's quite cool, but I think it's way too big for my sink. Yeah, I haven't seen a soap dish that I like yet. There's quite a few, but I'm not seeing one that I love yet. So cute. They have a lot of stuff. They had some clothes up there, lots of shoes, a lot of umbrellas. wheelchairs, office chairs, random bits and bobs, a trampoline. It's pretty cool though. I guess if you need something, come and check here before you buy something brand new. Something like this is so beautiful, but like even if I gave up on the clear vessel, this is just not that big. I think the roots would outgrow this pretty quickly. Oh, it's so nice though. Oh my gosh, I hit the jackpot, guys. They're just not big enough. Oh my god, look at this ashtray. Is it an ashtray? Actually, I don't know. I'm assuming. That is solid. Another cool ashtray. I don't smoke, I just think these look quite cool. Lots of glassware, but I'm not seeing any tall glass vases or decanters or anything like that. Wow, this is really beautiful. I might get this as like a trinket tray instead. Just for like earrings and hair clips and hair ties and stuff like that. So pretty. All right, no luck with the vase, but I got the toothbrush holder and I got the little trinket tray. They were each 60 baht, which is like $1.80 US. There is another secondhand place, the opposite way of my condo building, so I think I might head there and have a look. I'm just gonna go to Lotus to pay my internet and my phone bill, pay my debts to society. Santa's here. Here it is. It's called Treasure Factory, and they actually have multiple locations around Bangkok. But yeah, this one is on Nudes. Okay, that place was way more curated, so like, you know, nicer stuff, more expensive, like secondhand designer stuff, and there wasn't really much homewares. But yeah, it was a lot more expensive than the warehouse that I went to. But there's another place here, it's called Warehouse Used Furniture, and then there's another place called Eco Ring Japan that I also think is secondhand, so I'm going to check them out. This place looks like a business shut down and they're selling stuff from that business. So there's not a lot of variety. I'm home now, but yeah, those, the last two that I went to, or the last few that I went to at that mall, they are definitely more like high-end, curated, more fashion items. But the warehouse that I went to, honestly, was very good. I'm happy with the items that I got. Mission incomplete with the vase for the plants, but that's okay. It's surviving in the water bottle. I'll just keep looking. I'm gonna cook some dinner. I have some chicken breast. I need to use up this salad, and then I'm gonna do a baked potato as well. I've just washed these items. So yeah, the toothbrush holder, and then I'm gonna put my little trinkets in here. By the way, I have this. I've kept my toaster box because the plug for the kettle is so high up that it doesn't reach. So that's annoying. Okay, the chicken is seasoned. I'll just let it sit for a minute in that seasoning. The potato, I don't have an oven. I need to get an air fryer, but if you don't have either of those and you want a baked potato, you can just do it in the microwave. You just need to stab it a bunch of times with a knife. I don't know if you can see. That has stab holes. And then put it in the microwave for like 10 minutes. That one's not a big potato, so probably, let's do 9 minutes and I'll check it. I think I put that in for 9 minutes, cut it open, and it's perfectly cooked. As you can see, I'll put a bit of butter in it and we're good to go. All right, bon appetit. I have my salad and then a baked potato and some chicken. I don't even have dinner plates, I just have bowls. Really gotta get my life together. Anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner, edit this vlog, post it, and I think I might do a little bit of research on a trip that I'm planning to do, not next week, the week after. It's gonna be domestic, it's somewhere close by to Bangkok, but yeah, I'm thinking once it fits in my monthly budget, I think I'm gonna go on a little trip. So I'm gonna do that research tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. Wow. Thank you for being here. I love you guys so much. See you tomorrow.